Hi, hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of eating blueberries. Blueberries are low in calories but high in nutrients. It means you don't have to worry about gaining weight. They reduce DNA damage, which may help protect against aging and cancer, and in some studies, it was found to be reversing cancer. Blueberries protect cholesterol in your blood from becoming damaged. Blueberries may lower blood pressure. Blueberries can help maintain brain function and improve memory. It can delay Parkinson's disease, as it is related to dietary pollutants. In some cases, blueberries are found to help the body against the negative effects of pesticides. May help fight urinary tract infections. Blueberries may reduce muscle damage after strenuous exercise. 120 grams of blueberries contain 380 units of antioxidants compared to 60 units of apple. They reduce oxidative stress. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Stay healthy.